makes you cough like a dick. And it's hard to get a girl when your fantasies are all sick. Oh, and they make it so clear which deities to revere. You're a ship without a captain, and someone's gotta steer. No more when you're so tied up inside your head, can't find a reason to get out of bed. When you're so damn down that you're on the floor, all you wanna do is say no more. You didn't learn shit from the school textbooks, except that life's only easy for violent crooks. You only showed up for Madison's looks. No more when you're so tied up inside your head, can't find a reason to get out of bed. When you're so damn down that you're on the floor, all you wanna do is say no more. It's so hard not to be a downer, a lonely outcast, social frowner, and you can't lose her if you never found her. You can spend all your time tripping out, trying to decipher what life's all about. But anyway, it's got a way of making you wanna shout. No more when you're so tied up inside your head, can't find a reason to get out of bed. When you're so damn down that you're on the floor, all you wanna do is say no more. She goes fast and she's got four wheels, and when you step on the gas they start to squeal. She's got style in a big back seat, it's a hell of a lot better than walking on your feet. Four strokes, baby, that's all she needs, and the boys in the block surely agree. Four strokes, baby, that's all she needs, and I'm cursing mama twice before I hand you the keys. She was cruising down the track a little too quick, and she asked me, honey, wanna see a trick? Blue lights were flashing but they fell behind, cause me and my motor are two of a kind. Four strokes, baby, that's all she needs, and the boys in the block surely agree. Four strokes, baby, that's all she needs, and I'll crush mama twice before I hand you the keys. Well, the intake will suck the air right out of your lungs. The compression's so hot, it's like a burning sun. When the spark goes off, it'll break your neck, and when she spits it all out, she'll be signing her check. Four strokes, baby, that's all she needs, and the boys in the block will surely agree. Four strokes, baby, that's all she needs, and I'll curse mama twice before I hand you the keys. Four strokes, baby, that's all she needs, and the boys in the block would surely agree. Four strokes, baby, that's all she needs, and I go. Four strokes, baby, that's all she needs, and the boys in the block would surely walking down the boulevard. My feet just sang the blues. Newspapers and taxi cabs. It's a land made to confuse. I made a stop down there at Rocky Top. My pocket full of tricks. Walked inside, maybe a little white. Some junkie looking for a fix. And she said, won't you pass me a couple of those cigarettes? I'll smoke them and I'll think of you. In exchange, if not just a little strange, but it helps me to feel turn down there on Prospect Street, and I was thinking about my soul. Made it home, and I wrung it out, and I put it in a bowl. Just like the joke the preacher man spoke. Spread a little light. Don't get me wrong, sir, but if I write a song, I'll tell you right now, Padre, it's gonna be about Jesus Christ. And he said, son, won't you pass me a couple of those cigarettes? I'll smoke them and I'll think of you. An exchange, if not just a little strange, but it helps me